Hey, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back. It's already technoboy, and that's the newly homemade amplifier that you've seen before. So in this video, I'm going to do the loud sound test of this thing. Alright, so it is connected to my mobile using this RCA to 3.5mm jack. You can see that's a wire right there. So I pressed this button, and now the audio is coming from the backside, the RCA. The Bluetooth kit is on because there is no like three combined push switch buttons that you can have the audio and the power supply cut off with that thing, but this is the only one push button right there, so I used it for the audio cutoff system. But the Bluetooth here, it's on, and I can turn it and I can change the mode. You can see it's now on FM mode, but here it's connected to my mobile phone, so what I play here is going to come from the amplifier. So let's start with this one, and then I'm gonna do the sound test using the Bluetooth right there, but first this one. So you heard the sound coming from this aux right there and to the RC right there. This is a direct audio coming through the tone controller kit and the amplifier. Now let's check this Bluetooth too. So I'm going to remove this one. Alright, and I press this button. You can now hear the noise of the FM. Change the mode.
Long in mode. Bluetooth mode. Paired.
So, okay, it's paired now. So now let's check the sound through the Bluetooth. So both the sound is like almost same. I don't hear any difference in the sound through the Bluetooth and the RCA. Well, there is one difference I can find: the loudness. Through the Bluetooth, the loudness is a bit better. I mean, it's a bit louder than the RCA direct line. So now let's check this song and the other songs too.
But I don't want you around.